Good day everyone. Today we are from Group Simple. We'll present about installation of new energy saving LED lightings for UNIMAP'S building. Good day everyone. My name is Hanson and today I'll present our project to install energy saving LED lights at UNIMAP. This project supports Malaysia's goal to reduce carbon emissions and save energy. By using LED lights, we aim to cut energy costs, reduce environmental impact and improve facilities for students and staff. Okay, right now I'll be talking about the project description, which is project specifications. Our project involves replacing fluorescent tubes with energy efficient T8 LED lights in the FK10 building. The project will take about 3 months to complete. LEDs use much less energy, last longer, and provide better light quality compared to traditional fluorescent tubes. They are also safer for the environment as they don't contain toxic materials like mercury. Now I'll be talking about the project objectives. So the main goal is to reduce energy use by 30%. We also want to promote sustainability on campus by raising awareness about saving energy. Lastly, we will ensure the lights work properly over the long term with regular maintenance and support. So for the scope of works, this project includes replacing old lights with energy-saving LEDs in lecture halls, offices, and common areas. We will also use smart controllers to save energy when rooms are not in use. After installation, we will test the system, provide training for staff and students, and set up technical support to keep everything running smoothly.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is MOHAMMAD Riduwan, and here we have a list of 15 activities for the project. Well, it starts with the kick-off meetings where we discuss the project plan. Then we conduct a site survey to understand the requirements. After that, we procure the LED light and start planning the installation process. The actual installation of light is the most time-consuming activities. It takes about 20 days, but once the light installed, we test them to ensure everything works well. Next, on the post-installation, we audit the work to make sure it meets quality standards. After the audit, we train the staff on how to use the new system. Finally, the project wraps up with the documentation, marketing, collecting feedback, and presenting the result to the stakeholder. Each activity depends on the previous one to ensure smooth progress. Next, we have a resource requirement and budget estimation. On this resource slide, we need 200 LED tubes and their casing along with wiring and smart controllers. Safety gears and tools are also included. For equipment and supplies, we estimate a cost of Rm40,000 additionally. Rm13,200 is allocated for staff and training. This makes the total budget Rm27,200. With this detailed breakdown, we can manage cost effectively while maintaining high quality standard. Then we have a linear responsibility chart on, or we call it LRC. It explains who is the responsible for each task. For example, the project manager oversees the everything and ensure the project stays on track. The procurement officers handles purchasing materials, while the installation team's leaders supervise the setup. The electrician ensures the light works properly and the auditor checks the quality of the work. Finally, the trainer educates staff on how to use the system. With assigning this role helps make sure that every part of the project is done efficiently.
Hi, my name is Uitaje. Today I will present about AON diagram. This is our AON diagram. We have 15 activities that go through our project. This diagram helps us visual the activity of the project and their relation. Each node represents a specific activity, while arrow indicate which activity must be complete before other can begin. In this project, all activity that we have done are the part of the network and interconnected to ensure proper sequencing. The understanding of the project flow helping us about the project manager visual tasks that depend on other and the order in which they must occur. The next slide is slack of each activity. In the table show the critical path and the slack of our activity and project. Slack refers to the amount of time an activity can be delayed without delaying the overall project. This table shows the slack of the activity is 0. That means the activity is part of the critical path. In this case, every activity has a slack of 0 day, meaning no activity can be delayed without affecting the project schedule. This indicates that the entire project must entirely control timeline, where each activity is crucial, formally project completion. In the next slide, I will talk about the critical path. In this critical path, the flow of activity showing the sequence with zero slack. The first activity until 15 activity. The critical part is the sequence of activity that determine the shortest possible duration to complete the project. Activities on the critical part have zero slack, meaning that any delay in this task will result in a delay in the overall project. In this project, from first activity until 50 activity must be complete on time to ensure the project finish in the shortest time frame. The minimum duration to complete the project is 80 days, which is the total time required to complete all tasks along the critical path. Any delay in this activity will extend the project timeline. This all for me. I will pass it to other people. Thank you.
My name is GUAN. Today I will present the project timeline for our LED implement project. This Gantt chart outlines the tasks and milestones required to successfully complete the project, spanning from 1st January 2024 to 17 March 2024, totaling covering 11 weeks. The project is divided into 4 phases for quality and efficiency. The phase 1 is initial and assessment, activity 1 until 3. The phase 2 is planning and execution, activity 4 until 6. The phase 3 is review and training, the activity 7 until 9. The phase 4 is documentation and finalization, the activity 10 until 15. Each phase ensure that we approve the project in a structured and logical manner. In this project, we have identified the key dependency and highlight. For example, activity like the installation and testing are on the critical part, meaning they directly affect the overall timeline. Tasks like the site survey and the procurement overlap to optimize the time usage, and we ensure the stakeholder engagement through the activity like the training and feedback collection. To summarize, this Gantt chart reflects proactive scheduling and the resources management. By continuous monitoring the critical activity and involving stakeholders through the process, we aim to achieve the project objective to on time and with quality control. This Gantt chart provides a clear roadmap for our project success, ensuring the systematic execution across all phases. Thank you.
Hi, my name is SHAHRULBAHRI and I will continue on the impact on environment and society. So most people think that changing LED lighting doesn't help a lot on saving electricity. But in truth, if we apply LED lighting on bigger scale building such as university, it will impact a lot. So the first impact is the student can learn comfortably and clearly by LED lighting. The second impact is UNIMAP can participate indirectly in the Malaysia Sustainable Development Goals, SDGs, which Malaysia is targeting to utilize clean and effective energy. The third one is UNIMAP will save a huge amount on electrical costs. Hence, they will able to spend the safe amount on improving the facility. And second, they able to reduce student accommodation fee. So the impact on the environment is reduce toxic chemical waste. As we know, Pendafloor use a very dangerous toxic waste, which is mercury, but LED didn't have such toxic material. And here comes the second part, which we can reduce material and production costs. The third one is we're able to reduce heat loss and that might affect the environment. And last but not least, we will able to produce very little noise, which help reducing noise hazard. In conclusion, this report is crucial for ensuring the project success by providing clear plans for activities, budgets, responsibilities, and timelines. With tools like work breakdown structure, Gantt chart, activities on nodes, and critical path method, it streamlines coordination and minimizes risk. Additionally, it highlights the project's positive environmental and community impact, reinforcing its importance and alignment with sustainability goals. Thank you very much.